Austin, are you not supposed to be in college now? What happened?
Yeah, actually, I just forgot the book because I had to come back home again. Grandpa.
Are you okay, my son? I feel you are worried about something. Am I right?
No. I am fine, Grandpa. Maybe I was worried about the study. That could be the reason.
Oh, come on. You don't need to lie to me. I know you very well.
I've been facing some problems at college. Grandpa.
Oh, I see. Don't worry. Tell me. Your dad used to tell me all the problems. I used to help him.
That's really nice. But you know that I am not very sociable.
So, you would like to have more friends, but you are shy. This is why you don't talk.
Yeah, something like that. Dad told me you used to be like me in the past.
Yes, my son. That's true. I used to be very shy at college. I didn't have friends.
Okay then. How did you overcome your shyness? How did you get friends?
I was a good student when I was in school. Did you know about that? I used to study very hard.
Yeah, Dad told me about this. You are a good student. But what is the connection with this?
My friends didn't pay attention to me because they thought I was a geek.
Yes, you studied hard. You were a geek. As I know, you were very intelligent.
Yeah, that's true. I was famous at my college, but I didn't care about that.
I saw in the picture that you have lots of friends there. Then, how did you make lots of friends?
Well, I just took advantage of my qualities that I had at the college.
Ow! What do you mean by advantage? Did you do anything wrong? Is it like that?
Oh, no. As you know that I was intelligent, I used to offer them to study with me.
Oh, that's mean. They used to be with you because you did help them with their homework.
Yes, something like that, as you are saying. It sounds something like that.
Of course, because they did not like you. They needed your help, not you.
No, it seems that you have not understood correctly. It was just at the beginning.
So they treated you better with time. I think it was because you used to do their work.
No, you have misunderstood. That was just a way for them to get to know me.
Oh, I see. Otherwise, they would have continued thinking you were a G.
That's correct. Sometimes people need a chance to get to know you and that's it.
But I am not intelligent like you, Grandpa. As you used to be at your college.
To be honest, you still don't understand that. There is no need to be intelligent to make friends.
But they didn't talk to you before. That's how you made it.
All you need is an opportunity. That's what's needed to build friendships. Just a chance.
I will be very honest. I don't have any special ability or something.
But I know you can play guitar very well. Your dad also used to play guitar at his college.
Really? I did not know about that. I thought Dad had no friends at his college.
He didn't. In college, he struggled to make friends. His behavior was unpleasant.
But just before you told me, he made friends playing the guitar. I am confused, Grandpa.
He almost finished his college letter. He understood he could do it in his job. But he did it.
Actually, I had no idea about that. This is why I did not ask him about the problem that I have.
Do you know? My father used to use the same method to make friends years ago.
Maybe he was a smart person. But I don't want only to make friends, you know?
My son, you should be sociable. Wait for a minute.
Actually, Grandpa, I like someone. I want to talk to her.
Oh, I got it now. How couldn't I notice that? Oh, my bad.
Grandpa, I really want to talk to her. I want to meet her. I don't know why I can't.
I can understand your feeling, my son. Your grandmother didn't used to talk to me at college.
Really? How did you make her your friend? Or you talk to her? How?
As you know, we were in the same class. So one day, I pretended I had dropped all my books.
Ha ha ha! Really? So she decided to help you at that time. Then did you feel in love?
You know, that was my plan. Unfortunately, the trick didn't work at all. She just left the place.
Really? I did not know before this. How rude she was in her college. Why did she leave?
No, like that. Actually, she understood. I was planning to get closer to her. That's why she left.
Oh wow! Ha 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 ha! She was smarter than you, right? Then what did you do?
She often used to go to library. I didn't used to go there, but I started going there.
Ha ha! So funny. I can't believe that you did it this way.
To be honest, I just wanted to meet her. I didn't used to talk to her.
Okay, I got it. You just wanted a chance to meet her. Then, what did you do after?
Yeah, that's correct. Well, after that, I decided to study with her, and she looked at me.
Did you really become so intelligent in school and college by doing that?
That's correct. I started to like her. We used to study together every day.
However, I am still unsure about what to say or do when talking to the girl I like.
To impress her, you should research her interests and take action accordingly.
Oh, that's a nice idea. She likes music. I can play guitar. I will try to impress her.
Now you are clear that what you need to do. Well done, my son.
Thank you so much, Grandpa. I have to do my science project now.
Do you need to go to college now? Is it late? Still have time?
Maybe okay. I will start the project at night. See you, Grandpa.
If you found the video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel.